morning guys, this is day 3 at Spiti winter trip. 7 बजे और अभी का वेदर है ऑलमोस्ट 8 डिग्री यहाँ पे. Look at this view guys, such beautiful morning view from our hotel.
Morning fellas.
Morning.
So I am here in their room to wake them up and today we are leaving for
Sangla and Chitkul.
Sangla and Chitkul.
So recently I traveled to a place which was in my travel bucket list from many years. I was so surprised by seeing such beautiful landscapes. I never thought these 8 days will be so amazing. So come let's see, how was they? Come watch this beautiful 7-part travel series called Roads to Winter Spiti. तो अभी ब्रेकफास्ट करने के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं, सब लोग आ रहे हैं एक तैयार होके. उसके बाद सांगला के लिए निकलेंगे. सांगला में आज का लंच होगा और उसके बाद चिटकुल की तरफ जाएंगे थोड़ा व्यूज़ देखने के लिए और चिटकुल से वापस स्टे होगा सांगला में. तो ये आज का दिन का हमारा शेड्यूल है. चेक करते फिर आज क्या क्या नया मिलने वाला है. टेम्परेचर भी डिक्रीज़ होना स्टार्ट होने वाला है आज से. सो ठंड भी काफ़ी बढ़ने वाली है. वैसे हम तैयार हैं, कल तक तो कुछ भी नहीं था लेकिन आज से तो बहुत चालू होने वाली है. यस, अभी हम निकल रहे सांगला की तरफ. काफ़ी एनर्जेटिक है सब लोग. बैग पैक करके डाल रहे गाड़ी में. या तो ये भूल गया था मैं. चलो बाय. From Jhakri to Sangla the distance is almost 80 kilometers and I also heard that the roads are very adventurous. So yeah, come let's experience them. Wow, look at this beautiful valley and top of it, look at this beautiful road. I'm just wondering how this road has been constructed. It's just like half tunnel. The zigzag road half covered with mountains and half open, where you see a deep down valley view which is beyond imagination. So after reaching Karcham, we took a ride towards Sangla Chitkul road. Actually in winters Chitkul road is closed due to heavy snowfall. But luckily the road was open just 2 days back. So we are excited to see how the last village of India looks in winter. So guys, we are heading towards Sangla. On the way we got some amazing view and this valley view. So we just took a stop over here to take some drone shot. Sometimes you need to forget everything and just see the beautiful landscapes. It's just you and the view in front of you. It feels happy to be there, but at the same time, it feels sad. Because it's just a moment of a few minutes. Grab all happiness you can grab in that few minutes. once the journey starts, this view won't come back again. So, grab those colors and save in your memories for lifetime. So guys, we have reached Sangla right now and the view is really amazing. Yeah, I'm seeing snow for the first time, and at this pretty winter trip, it's gonna be really amazing. Yeah. So we are at Sangla and searching some local place for lunch. Checking the hotel of Tibetan cafeteria. Let's see how it is. So after rejecting some hotels, we finally found a local hotel. So let's see how it is. -1 डिग्री के टेम्परेचर में इनको कोका कोला पीना है। और थैंक यू फॉर योर चेस। This is the beauty of road trip. It teaches you to share your things, taking care of each other. We all are solo travelers from different parts of India. We all met yesterday for the first time for this road trip. And see, in one day, we started taking care of each other and sharing our things.
तुमको तो मैगी खिला के देंगे। वाइट सूट नहीं कर रहा यार। मैंने अभी फोटो में देखा कि वाइट सूट नहीं कर रहा है। जो कल येलो पहन के आए थे वही पहन ले। जो मैं येलो पहन के आया था। हाँ। ये येलो सही लगेगा अभी वाइट।
अभी हमारे राजमा चावल
फाइनली आ चुका है। तो थोड़ा खा लेते
कैमरा थोड़ी देर के लिए बंद करना। सो गाइस, अभी हमने खाना खाया, यहाँ पे लंच किया सपना ढाबा में। आप ज़रूर आइए, बहुत अच्छा खाना था। तो अभी हम ये सांगला मार्केट थोड़ा घूम रहे हैं। इन्हें ये काम दिया गया है खास हिमाचल टूरिज्म से। यहाँ पे आके बर्फ के क्रश करना है और भेजना है यहाँ से डायरेक्टली मुंबई। We were having some time with us before we start journey towards Chitkul. So we decided to roam nearby and then we found a local house from where the view was amazing. So अभी हम यहाँ पे आए थोड़ा क्लिक करने के लिए पिक्चर्स लोकल से यहाँ के। तो उनको परमिशन लेके उन्होंने भी हमें अलाउ कर दिया। थैंक यू फॉर देम। We just had a talk with local and came to know they have a distinct culture and their own dialect, the Kinnori language. So still they are doing some photo shoot over here from last 15 minutes. So now we are only 20 kilometers away from India's last village. Come, let's see how it is. So after traveling on such beautiful roads and passing beautiful landscapes, now we have finally reached to Chitkul. So guys, अभी हम पहुंच गए यहाँ पे लास्ट विलेज ऑफ इंडिया चिटकुल में। एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं, चलिए देखते फिर यहाँ के कुछ सीन्स।
Do you all things at once without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time.
This is river Baspa, rises near the Indo-Tibetan borders and form a Baspa valley. The slope of valley is covered with beautiful pine and oak forest, which makes valley one of the most scenic in Himalayas. So we started exploring Chitkul as it was difficult to make a way from that slippery snow. So come let's see what happened next. Beams over here. Wow. And that's chill bum.
बहुत ठंडी लगी
Very chill bum.
इस वीडियो में हमारे खिलाड़ी
Finalized for our first task. So he is making a way for us. See. So, my boy, my friend has made a way for us. और मैंने अभी ये डिसीजन लिया है कि मैं वापस जा रहा हूँ क्योंकि बहुत सारा स्नो मेरे पैर के अंदर जा रहा है, तो मुझे ठंड से मरना नहीं है। इसके लिए मैंने ये डिसीजन लिया, मैं वापस जा रहा हूँ। सो पूरा बर्फ चले गया मेरे शूज़ के अंदर, जो भी मैं निकाल रहा हूँ। केचुआ, but I don't like their grips, yeah.
Oh, grip is perfect, man.
Perfect.
Yeah, perfect for
Okay.
girls.
Okay then. So I will show you one shot of that perfect grip.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts.
This is beautiful village Chitkul. The architecture of houses in Chitkul is pretty cool. The houses are covered with wooden slate and the roofs are like wooden plank, which look quite pretty. We missed the food of Hindustan ka Akhri Dhaba cause it was closed. In winter hardly you will get anything open here. But we enjoyed the Chitkul in winters, which was very lucky and amazing moment for us. During winters, the place mostly remains covered with snow and the local moves to lower region of Himachal. It is also last point of India one can travel without permit. According to recent study of Central Atmospheric Science at IIT Delhi, Chitkul has the cleanest air in India. Wow, that is amazing.
That I love you.
Chitkul, on the bank of Baspa river, is the first village of Baspa valley and the last village of old Hindustan Tibet road.
So slow. Hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by. A thunderstorm, a lightning strike as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh.
As a traveler, I really don't like to say goodbye to such beautiful places. But at the same time, I always like to explore new places. So yes, now we are heading towards Sangla, where our 2-night stay is booked. And I am really gonna miss this beautiful place, which I have captured and saved in my memories for lifetime. If you are planning Chitkul in winters, you should be lucky enough to make that happen. Because in winters you never know when the road gets shut down and when it gets open. I will recommend you contact with locals and see the situation and then grab the opportunity to come here.
And I've come out here to say, you're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm on it. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say.
ये हमारा आज का स्टे है यहाँ पे, होम स्टे काफ़ी अच्छा है। और थोड़ी देर पहले ही हम यहाँ पे पहुँच गए। काफ़ी ज़्यादा ठंड अब बढ़ चुकी है, ऑलमोस्ट 0 डिग्री टेम्परेचर हो गया, माइनस भी अभी तक नहीं गया। तो माइनस के बाद तो हालत बहुत जाम होने वाली है शायद, तो देखते हैं। तो आज का व्लॉग यहाँ तक ही रखते हैं। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एंड प्लीज़ शेयर, लाइक, सब्सक्राइब टू मेगापिक्सल जर्नी।